In this video, we will go over the contact changed workflow trigger. So this trigger works when a contact details are updated, specifically in the areas of tags, assigned users, or do not disturb. So this trigger automates specific actions or responses based on these changes. So to get started, we're going to click on Add New Workflow Trigger. And we're going to type in contact. You'll see contact change. So we're going to go ahead and select that one. And then note again, this trigger only runs for changes in tags, assigned user, DND, and custom fields. So to customize your trigger, we can go ahead and select add filters. You will see this drop down appear. And then when we click on that drop down, you can choose assigned user, DND, tags, and then you also have custom fields as well. So we're going to go over assigned user. So with assigned user, you can select has changed or has changed to, and then from there you can select a specific team member. In the next one, we have DND. So again, we have has changed or has changed to, and then with this one, you can select either disabled DND for all channels or enabled DND for all channels. And then one more, we have tags. Here you can select either added or removed. So with added and removed, again, you can select the tag from the drop down here. The last one, you have a variety of different custom fields that you can choose as well. So let's say they have account view changed, birthday changed, Facebook, anything like that. You can select those as well. So once you have this configured, just go ahead and click on Save Trigger. And then you will see your trigger in here, and then just make sure that you're clicking on the blue Save button in the top right corner to save your workflow as well.